Right now, hackers are auctioning NSA tools for $10 million. Your medical records? Sold for less than a latte. This is the dark web, where $2.3 billion vanished last year, and your data is the currency. We're going in. But don't say we didn't warn you. Google's just the tip. The dark web, 5,000 times smaller than Instagram, is where dictators censor and pedophiles hide. Tor encrypts your trail through 3 global relays, but in 2024, the FBI cracked 43% of anonymous users. Stay with us. Your password's probably already here. Meet Inferno Market, 2024's top dark web store. Want a DDoS attack? $10 per hour. A fake COVID vax card? $200. But the real money's in data. 2.6 million credit cards leaked last month alone. And yes, hackers do accept returns. If you survive. Crypto mixers like Tornado Cash promised anonymity until the US nuked them. Now Monero reigns, untraceable, but even it leaks metadata. Pro tip, if your dealer takes Bitcoin, the FBI's already mining your IP. Hacker forums are dark web LinkedIn. Ransomware kits rent for $500 per month. A WhatsApp backdoor sold for $8.5 million. But the real threat? Cybercrime as a service, where even amateurs can attack with one click. Is the dark web evil? It hosted Snowden's leaks and the fentanyl that killed 80,000 Americans last year. Where do you draw the line? We searched for my data. My Netflix password? $3. Medical records? $1,200. Lesson? Assume you're already hacked. Police deploy AI like Project Sherlock to predict crime, but hackers counter with AI worms. By 2026, 80% of cyber attacks will be AI-powered. The future? Machines versus machines. The dark web's not evil. It's a mirror. Want to go deeper? Smash subscribe, if you dare. Next week, we buy a dark web mystery box. Spoiler, it's not Legos.